When you transmit power from Delhi to, let's say, Haryana or vice versa, then the infrastructure has to be there, which is common between them. So there you have to pay ISTS transmission charges. So the sharing and everything will be determined between these two guys. But there is a carve out given to all the green energy technology. So we are in July 2025 right now. And here, orange line is BESS, battery energy storage system. Basically, grid stability has to be there. So grid stability is enhanced by putting hybrid power, and also it can further enhance by putting battery in place. So what battery will do, it will store the surplus power rather than giving it to grid. So it will store the power from the time of generation till when the demand comes. They will park for 2 hours power capability. So let's say 100 megawatt power I'm producing through solar or through solar plus wind also hybrid. So I will have a 2 hour of a backup of battery. So out of 24 hours, effectively I'll be producing 10-12 hours only, but I will store that for 2 hours. And then that 2 hours storage will be used for when the demands peak out. What I'm doing is I'm reducing the grid load through batteries. So BESS is going to be there, as the graph suggests. You can see they have got 100% ISTS transmission charges waiver, and this is valid till July 2028. Don't have to pay any ISTS charges, and ISTS charges are typically 1 to 2 rupees. So if a PPA is typically signed for solar for, let's say, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, then 1 to 2 rupees is the additional cost above which is waived off. So out of 4 rupees as a IPP, if I'm getting from my solar 4 rupees a unit, actually, ideally, I should pay 1 to 2 rupees to the guy whom I'm sending it to, if I'm sending it to other state. But I, as a solar guy, right now, I don't have to give, because solar ka bhi aap dekh lo, solar is till 30th June 2025, it is 100%. But this is a slight slope. It is going to be 75%, then 50%, then 25%. By July 28, it would be at par with thermal power plant. So 30th June 2028 is the date through which the preferential treatment for solar will end. And iske pehle, this was a 100% subsidy. So I have witnessed 10 years when ISTS charges were zero. Now I'm seeing this charges are going up to 100%, from 100 to zero. The waiver. So with 0 to 100, they are moving as a charge billable to the IPP, to the guy who is selling the power. So this will have economic impact and a kind of a signaling, which will not be favorable for green energy, so to say. But now government thinks that solar and wind and hydro have kind of matured. So those three big brothers are put in one bracket where their waiver are going to be waived off.